Hello, Disney Card Toys here, and today I'm going to open up my last puppy surprise toy. Oh, sad. But so far we have opened up 2 puppy surprises and gotten 3 puppies from each doggy mommy, and also a kitty surprise with 5 kittens. If you haven't seen me open up a puppy surprise before, they are super awesome. Basically, inside each of the mommy puppies is either 3, 4, or 5 little babies. It's a huge surprise what you will get, and you don't even know how many girls or how many boy puppies you'll get either. So let's open up Popcorn and see what's inside. I've already opened up the purple puppy mommy, which is Sugar, and I've opened up another Popcorn dog too, and that one came with 3 puppies. But one of the puppies was a lot smaller than the other puppy, meaning it was a runt of the litter, so that's pretty unique, and I don't know how common that is either. I'm assuming it's kind of rare. So let's pull out this Popcorn. I'm hoping for 4 puppies or 5, because we've already had a puppy surprise with 3 and another one with 3, so okay, come on Popcorn. I probably shouldn't shake her, right? Okay, let's get out of the box. There we go. Here she is. I do love her though because she's bright pink, and I love bright pink. So we just got a couple little areas to cut so we can free her and find out how many puppies are inside. And we've had a lot more girl puppies and girl kitties than boys too. So hopefully this has a lot of boys. There she is. Let's feel her stomach. Let's see, I can feel 1 puppy over here. Let's just open it up. Oh, look, lots of pink puppies. Oh, little. There's 1 little one. Oh, a sleeping one. Oh, I see a boy. There's a boy, and oh, that's it. Just 3 puppies. Let's take a look at these puppies though. They are so cute. No twins or anything. Let's see, the first 2 puppies are girls, and then they have a little brother, and he's super cute too. This first one's probably the most adorable. It has the pink ribbon, so obviously it's a girl, but I really like the pink around her eyes. And this little one has pink ears and it's sleeping, and the boy is mostly all white with just a little brown patch around his eye. They are all the same size as you can see, so no runt of the litter here either, and no twins. Since we've opened up 2 of the Popcorn mommy puppies, I want to compare the cousins here because they probably gotta look similar, right? These puppies here are the puppies I opened up in the first Popcorn. You can see the little white puppy is the runt of the litter, and those ones I opened up on my husband's Toys Review Toys channel. And here are the puppies I just opened up. And wait a minute, the sleeping puppy and the one I just opened up is the same as the sleeping puppy and the one I opened up the other day. Let's compare. Yep, they're twins, or I guess twin cousins. Don't really know how that works, but look, same size, same color, same everything. That is really cool though, so if you mix and match your puppies, you can get twins. And now we have opened up all 4 boxes of my puppy surprise and kitty surprise toys. They're so cute. I love the kitties, and I can't believe I got 5 in one box. I like the little runt of the litter, and now we have twin puppies and the little boy puppy. And the purple ones from Sugar are so cute too. And here are all the mommies with all of their babies, and I just want to point out how girl heavy this is. So each of the moms obviously is a girl, but the kitty had 4 girls and just 1 boy, so outnumbered their puppy. And then the first Popcorn I opened up had 3 girls, no boys. And then the last one I opened up today, this Popcorn had 2 girls, 1 boy, and Sugar had 2 girls, 1 boy. Well, it has been a lot of fun opening these up. If you enjoyed this, please click like and also subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you're sick of these things. I love filming them, but I've already done 4, so if you want me to do more, let me know in the comments. But if you're sick of watching them, let me know too. Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.